We will conduct a search for articles on bipolar disorder treatment by typing this into the main search box of this database. We are entering the main words of our search topic and not full sentences. Our search results screen provides the number of search results that were found, and special filters to narrow down your results to only peer-reviewed journal articles or a range of publication dates. Click on the title of an item to read the full text. The record will usually provide an abstract, which is a summary of the article. Notice the subject term descriptors in the detailed record. Subject terms are used to describe the main points of an article. They are hyperlinked for easy access to searches for similar articles. Reader tools include saving the item to a Google Drive, email options, citation help, and a permanent link to the record. If you're having difficulty finding articles related to your topic, other databases to select are Psychology and Behavioral Sciences, and also Academic Search Complete, an extensive database that can retrieve articles in almost any research topic.